Probably the biggest shaping up here. In fact, we've already had huge amounts of ice, up to a half-inch thick, coating power lines and trees and bringing down the tree limbs here and power lines up in northern Ohio. I-75 near the Toledo area was a skating rink a couple of hours ago, but temperatures are starting to warm up there now. Still some freezing rain from near Pittsburgh up to about Detroit and on over to Milwaukee and Green Bay. Farther north from there, it's still snow. Places like Duluth and Minnesota has picked up about almost a foot of snow, although it was helped out a little bit there by an easterly wind flow. A town called Cloquet in Minnesota picking up about 8 inches of snow. And there's some snow in central Pennsylvania, although most of it light, freezing rain even on down toward Baltimore and Washington. All right, let's go back to the maps and check out
and show you the current scenario. An unbelievable mess. And in the northwest, it's primarily a rain and the freezing rain. Now, Detroit was at one point snow tonight. Then it changed over to freezing rain. Now it is all rain. Cleveland, all rain. Pittsburgh was freezing rain, and soon you will be changing over to all rain too. So, interesting developments in Ohio. About half an inch of ice glazed over on the roadways. Dangerous traveling for you, and now it's raining on top of that. Temperatures quite warm to the south of this front, but we do have some cold air in place right across the northern tier. What's going to happen tomorrow? Well, as the warm air moves up over that shallow area of mountainous regions, picking up about 3 to 6 inches of snow, and already we've seen significant amounts of snow in northern Minnesota around Duluth, over 10.5 inches of snow, and you had that already by 9 o'clock this evening. Stay tuned and we'll take you traveling.
Dense fog here and freezing drizzle, northern Iowa on up into Minnesota. A lot of the snow that had been flying around Duluth has pretty much started to quiet down a bit. About a foot of new snow on the ground there, helped out by an easterly wind flow off of Lake Superior. Freezing rain has moved across parts of lower Michigan, although it has changed to rain in Detroit and near Cleveland. And Pittsburgh's about ready to go over to rain after having been freezing rain just about all evening long. Freezing rain around Baltimore and Washington. It's going to take a while to warm up there, that's for sure. And on up toward Philly and New York, it's going to start off as snow, then go to freezing rain. Could be some significant ice accumulations, particularly just inland or north and west of those major cities. And could be 2 to 4 inches of snow in Boston right on into the day on Thursday. Could be pretty messy. Another batch of rain moving into the west.
Good mix here.